Okay, hello guys and good morning. Okay, like usual, mapping video, mapping analysis, and what will happen to gold. Okay, actually this account that everyone can log in already grow until $5,000. I already close all. I close all. This is my profit today. So I close at 200 pips. It's okay, but we can trade again. Okay, if go major direction, I think sell. I think sell. Major direction. Okay, because daily breakout and yes, tomorrow I already share this support daily. Okay, remember or not? Support daily breakout. So support breakout will be like this as BR setup. Okay, I hope you guys remember. Okay, so daily already show us gold still one falling down. Okay, but what will happen to H4? Okay, H4. Okay, yes, have engulfing buy, but not every support we can buy. Okay, you need to know this. Okay, now just marking. This is zone yesterday. Zone yesterday, which is engulfing H4. We entry and managed to close at 200 pips and hold with break even. Okay, for those log in my capital, my account, you will know how I hold. Okay, so H4, just marking like this, just marking H4. Okay, H4 is seem like already break, but on H1 still have another engulfing here, or another support on H1. So I think 1958 will, gold will reach here, gold will reach here. But if we focus on H4, if we focus on trend line early break, so for me, I just marking this is type 2 engulfing. Okay, this is also zone, the best zone to selling. So looking for H1, M30. Okay, M30, we can precise until this level. Actually have two level we can monitor for M30 to get a sharp entry, to get a sharp zone. Okay, have two zone, so just monitor here which zone gold can falling. And for buying, actually I'm focused on selling. Okay, but still have potential for buy. Okay, no need to worry. F15 we can precise. Okay, just precise until the best zone, because I know you guys want put big lot size, right, without any floating. So just precise until small time frame. Okay, so just monitor this zone M15 or zone M5, just marking like this. And maybe I will try, but just waiting my signal. Okay, because okay, I'm scared gold will keep falling, will break. Okay, this I'm scared. Some break. Is it possible? Okay, because the major direction is sell, and my TP actually 1900 will touch, confirm touch, but I don't know when. Maybe next month or next 2 months, but we need to enjoy the journey, enjoy the momentum movement. So just waiting the game. So as for now, my focus is, this is zone monitor for sell. If gold reach here, we can entry sell. Okay, why? Because have such a H4 breakout. Okay, maybe we can try sell here. Sideways, maybe, or at US session, maybe we can find sell. Okay, but at London session, maybe we can find retracement for buy. Maybe, because I don't know what will happen, because I still not start to trade because I already closed my profit. Okay, $300, I think it's good. So this is the zone. You can monitor what will happen. If break confirm, we will sell here. Okay, if break this zone, white zone, we sell here. Okay, just waiting for the pullback, we sell in this white zone. For now, just waiting what will happen to gold. Will touch white zone and fly or not? Just waiting another 2 hours from now. 2 hours from now, okay, we trade. So just get ready. If have set up sell, I will give sell. If have set up buy, I will give buy. Okay, for now, don't have any confirmation. I just monitor the price action, what will market give to us. So just get ready. Okay, remind the direction is sell. Okay, the long direction is sell, major direction is sell. So if I'm buy, scalping, focus on 30 pip, 40 pip. If you want whole break even, okay, make sure you use best lot size. Example 0.05 and layering 0.05 or 0.10. Okay, but if your account already like me, $5,000, make sure today we can start change our lot to 0.05. Okay, so get ready because our aim is $10,000 for this Friday. This is too big actually. So maybe soon we'll touch for investor account. So just get ready. Penat get ready. Jom.